everyone, my name is Zipshita Taran and in this video I am gonna tell you how to play World Safari. I have chosen this company Creatives. Ages 10 and up, players 2 to 6 players can play this game. Okay, so let's open this up. This is the board. We will open this later. Let's keep it aside. These are the 4 packs of cards, as you can see over here. Okay, these 3 are same, this is different. Okay, this is the activity guide. These are the cone spawns. In this activity guide you can see what's written over here. I'll give it a time to see. Okay, so you can see. Okay, you have seen it now. Now we will open the board game and let's keep it aside. So we'll open this board. It's really large board. This is our board. Okay, this is a really large. There's a spinner, start point, a map, finish. Okay, so there are 2 ways to play this game. 2 ways. Okay, so first way we have to spin the spinner. It's Japan. Okay, so we don't have to see the numerals, we just have to see the countries. Let's spin it again. Sri Lanka. Okay, so like Sri Lanka. So if we know that where is Sri Lanka in this map, okay, so like Sri Lanka is in, I will show you where is Sri Lanka. Here, it's really small. As you can see, this orange one, this orange one. Okay, it's Sri Lanka and the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. So I know both capital and where it's located in this map. So if I know both, that it's capital and where it's located in the map, so I'll got 7 marks. Okay, and if you know that where is located in this map, like here, and so you will get 5 points. And if you don't know where is the capital, so you will get 5 points. And if you know that where is the capital but you don't know where is located in this map, like I don't know where is located in the map but I know the capital, it's Colombo. So if I know, we will get 2 points. It means that if you tell both, you will get 7 points. And if you tell capital, you will get 2 points. And if you locate the place in the map, you will get 5 points. Okay, so like this you can play. Okay, we don't need any pack of cards or the cones in this game. First game. Okay, and now in the second game, I will tell you these are the pawns, as you can see here, and these are the cards. Okay, these, okay, and these are the 4 packs of cards. So let's open this. I am choosing green color, so put it on the start. Now keep this aside. Okay, after keeping it aside, we will open one. Like I have already opened this card. Okay, like this one is the this is the pack of cards. Okay, now let's keep them aside. Okay, now let's keep them aside. I will tell you what to do with these cards. We only want 1 pack of cards because I am just telling you how to play. So this is there. Now spin this spinner. It's like Indonesia. Let's spin it once again if you want me. Like I will spin it again. Okay, so it's again Indonesia. Okay, sorry, it's Chile. Okay, it's 3, so we will do it. 1, 2, 3. I am spinning this spinner 2 times, but you have to spin only 1 time. I'm just spinning for that how to spin the spinner. Okay, so it's like this. we have to spin this. No, we have to spin the spinner not like this. We have to spin the spinner like this. Okay. So it was Chile. So we are on this. So like these were the packs of cards. These were the packs of cards. So in these packs of cards, opposite player will choose a pack of cards. Okay. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. But you have to answer only one question. And that question, opposite player one won't choose that which question you will answer. Okay. So these signs are there. Okay. As you can see here, this was mine. Okay. So it is earth. As you can see, here is the earth. Here. Okay. And this temple sign, as you can see, temple sign. This temple sign is here. And this eye sign, which is on which my pawn is there. This. Okay. So this is, where is this? This. Okay. So you will answer that question only on which your dice is, like this. So there is a question. Okay. And like we will keep this aside. And this, you can see mountains. Here's the mountains. And there's the dance types. This. Okay. And these 5 signs are repeated again and again on this board again till the finish line. Okay. So mine is on I1. So let's find where is I1. This is the I. Pick up visual cards. Now I'll tell you what is these. These cards are visual cards. Okay. So whenever you got the I, you will like, wait, I'll just open it. It's all. Yes. So these are the visual cards. Okay. Okay, so like these are the visual cards. So I'll pick one visual as my closing my eyes. I pick one visual cards. I will give to opposite player. So there is a question in this. The highest waterfall in the world, which shown in the picture. So if you don't know the answer, then you will get 0 points. And if you know the answer, you will get 2 points. Okay. And opposite player, and if you know the answer, to check that to check that it's right or wrong, the opposite player will see beside the card. There is written in the backside of the cards, and jail falls. Okay. In the bracket it's written, it's 980 meters high, Venezuela, South America. Okay. So this is the highest waterfall in the world. Like this, if you come on I, you will play like this. Okay. And now I am keeping this card aside because the question has came in this one. Okay. So I will keep this card aside, and if like we will not ask the question again. Okay. And now again I am spinning this spinner. It's 1. So I1 is not there. So we can take this card only, because in this card the mountain question is not asked with any person. So we will see. What is a volcano that has not been active for some time, known as? Okay. So if you know that what is volcano that has not been active for some time, if you know the answer, well and good. And if you don't know the answer, you will get 0 points. Now opposite player will check the answer here. It's written answers here. So it's written answers. Okay. So as you can see, dormant volcano. It's called dormant volcano. If you know the answer, you will get 2 points again. And if you don't know the answer, you will get 0 points. Okay. So this was how to play this game. And I will tell you now these small boxes in which these signs are not there. Okay. So like I'm on this now. I'm just giving you the example. Like I'm on this now. Choose your own topic. So we have to choose my own topic. Means that we can choose any topics from these. We can choose this sign, this sign, this sign, this sign, this sign. Which sign you want? Like I want to choose this sign. Okay. So we will see that card only, because in that card that sign one question is not answered. Which line of latitude goes across the middle of Africa? If we don't know, so obviously we will get 0 points, and if we know, we will again get 2 points. Like it's this. Okay, so we will sign equator. If you know the answer, 2 points, and if you don't know, so 0 points. Okay, now like this, spinning the wheel again and again, I go on this. Okay, I am on this now, so it's clear. Then we have to spin this again. Means first you spin this and you came here, and you have to spin it again. Like I am spinning it again. Mexico. So 1, 2, 3. We have to do 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. So we have to do this question like I told you before. Choose your own topic. I have told you spin again, and choose your own topic, spin again, choose your own topic, spin again, and this is again finish. Okay, so this was my video that how to play this game, and if you have any query about this game, please let me know in my comment box, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.